Hey everyone, welcome to the Middle School Visual Arts PLC group. My name is Alicia Montgomery and I am the moderator for this group. I'm so glad that you've joined our community. It was really created with you in mind. Our goal is to collaborate and support with each other as we navigate the craziness of teaching middle school visual arts. Whether you're the only one in your system or one of many, we know that you're going to find things here that are going to help you. In order to make this as beneficial as possible for everyone, be sure to set up your notifications and check back often so you don't miss any of our discussions and posts and support that are going to be showcased, and make sure that you participate. All right, that's what makes this learning community so amazing. Today, I'm going to be looking at and talking with you about a digital graphics project called Transforming Masterpieces. If you want a little more background and introduction into the project, you can check that out on part 1 of this series. Right? In this episode, we're going to be looking at the sketches for this project. So just a quick reminder, right? With our Transforming Masterpieces project, the essential question is, how can I alter the theme and color scheme of a masterpiece using a contour line and a draw program? Right? And the program that I'm using currently in my classroom is called GIMP. It's a free program. There's lots of others out there. Any program that you can create layers with will work for this assignment. Okay? You can use drawing tablets, like a Wacom tablet or some other type of drawing tablet. All right, I'm using just a mouse for the demonstrations that I'm going to be doing this time, because we've had some technical difficulties with some computer upgrades or updates that we've had recently. All right, so this is one of my student examples that you see on the screen currently. So they've taken a masterpiece and they are appropriating it and creating it, using it to create something that's their own. So they have 5 images to choose from. Okay, these are 3 of them. They can pick, and then these are their other 2 options. So they can choose any of these. The first thing that they're going to do with these is they're going to pick which image that they're going to appropriate, and then they're going to start with just a contour sketch of that drawing. So this is one that a student has done. You've got the drawing or the painting on the left, the masterpiece, and so I just printed these off like 4x6, printed 2 per sheet. I laminated them just so they'll hold up longer, and then just cut them apart. And so once the student picks which masterpiece they want, they'll take that image and they'll take it back to their seat with their drawing. Once they get there, they're just going to do a contour sketch of their image. All right, so to get their contour, they would just draw around the edges of their head, maybe the edges of their jacket, and maybe where the edge of his hat is. Sorry, I don't know what's going on with my mouse back here, but the outline of whatever may be in the background. Right, and then they're going to think about what things they're going to change. So this particular student, she did the outline of the face. Right, she did the outline of the shoulders, but then she made it like a button-up shirt, added a cowboy hat, changed the painting in the background to look like one with hay bales in it, a little barn back here, and then added some clouds. Once they get this contour sketch done and they've manipulated it however they want to, then they would go in and either label or color what they want their sketch, what colors they want to use in their sketch. All right, thank you for joining us today to see how to actually create this in our photo editing software. Check out part 3 of this series for that information, and I'll also include assessment in that next part. Make sure you participate in our discussion and let me know if you have any comments or questions.